Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you that how can you like your WhatsApp status in your iPhone. So guys, if you're using any gadget and you are facing the issue that status like feature not available on your WhatsApp, I'll help you how can you get this feature and how can you like your WhatsApp status. So first of all, you need to open your settings. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this go back. After going to back, you need to open your app store, and here you need to search WhatsApp. So guys, after searching it, you need to open your WhatsApp and you need to update your app if not updated, and after doing update, you will get all the feature and you can use WhatsApp like feature as well. So guys, after doing this, you need to go back, open your WhatsApp again, and you need to open your updates tab. And from here, you can like your status as you want. So guys, if still not fix your problem and still like feature is not available on your WhatsApp status, then no need to worry. You have to click on settings and guys, click on help center, and now you need to scroll it down and click on contact support, and guys you need to write here your problem that you are facing again and again, and they will review your problem and they will fix your problem. So guys, these are the possible ways to fix this problem. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.